Hello and welcome to another instructional video. In this video we would like to show you the new features in the T8. These features are available on all machines with absolute encoders. I will show them to you on the new Sprint 8. The first thing I would like to show you is the design rotation feature. It allows you to set the reference points and align your design according to them. As you can see, the pocket is not aligned correctly in the frame. With the new feature, it is not necessary to rehoop the shirt, because we are able to align the design in the T8. After you have loaded design, keep in mind where the starting point of the design is set. Then choose R1, U1 for more options. Here we have now button U5 and U6 to set reference points. The hidden key U6 will pop up after you have set reference point 1. To set the first reference point, I move the pantograph to the left upper corner of the shirt pocket. And then press U5 to set the first reference point. Now U6 for the second reference point becomes available. To set this one, I go to the right shirt pocket and set the second reference point by pushing U6. Now comes the starting point in play. Because we want our design to be stitched in the center between both reference points, we have placed the starting point of our design at the bottom center. That's why we will pick U2. All other options will position your design in accordance to their respective starting point, except U0. This option only aligns your design in accordance to both reference points and doesn't give you any other alignment options. As I said before, we are choosing now U2. Now we have to align the design in the center between the two reference points. As the machine told us here, it has to go 483 increments to the right and 272 increments up. We have to do that with the arrow keys here. Just follow the arrows that are shown in the T8. There was too much, now the arrow key is shown to the left. If you want to change the speed of the pantograph, you can go down here to 10 increments. Or still to 1 increment. Now we just have to align back and forward. So we have to get quicker. Until we have both on 0 and all errors are disappeared. After we have set the pantograph to the origin position, we deactivate the laser and confirm. Now we can see that the design is rotated. Now we can start the design. We hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching.